What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be installing some new LED bulbs for the fog light high beam, and these are going to be the LasFit LSplus series, and these are the H4 bulbs, and they are going to be plug and play with the standard H4 socket. But yeah, these are the LSplus series, which is like their top of the line LED bulbs. And I already have LasFit bulbs for my low beam and fog light, but they've been in the car for about 4 years, absolutely no issues. But the ones I got for the fog lights before are kind of the bottom of the end, and these are the top of the line that they offer. And they just sent me a pair, so I'm gonna see how much better these are. So here's a closer look at the bulbs, and these ones have an extra power driver that you're gonna install inside of the headlight. And then, like I said, they're plug and play with the standard H4 socket, and then they fit exactly how a normal one should, and they're about the same size as a normal H4 bulb, so you shouldn't have any fitment issues. Alright, I just got the wheel off, peeled back the plastic fender liner, took off the back cap where I can access the bulb right in there, and that's the old one. So I just took out the old H4 bulbs, and again, these are already LasFit bulbs, and they're super good quality. I've had no complaints. They've worked perfectly fine, and they're really bright. But like I said, these are kind of more of their low-end model, and then the ones they just sent me are a bit beefier, a little bit bigger of a fan on the back, and yeah, these are just the top of the line ones. So these ones produce way more watts and lumens and all that stuff, so these are going to be way brighter than these ones, so can't wait to see the difference. Alright, so I just got the bulb in there. You have to line up the 3 tabs on the side so it lines up straight, and then it was a bit difficult to get the metal prong to fit over the fan to lock it in place, but once you get it, the bulb shouldn't be loose or anything, should be nice and tight. And then, like I said, plugs right into the OEM H4 plug. And then this power driver hanging right here, I'm going to tuck in under the bulb and then put the rubber cap back on. And then while I'm still in here, might as well show you that this is the LasFit D2S, D2R direct replacement LED bulb conversion. And this is the style that comes with its own power ballast on the bottom, so I directly replaced the ballast, igniter, and the bulb. And yeah, like I said, these are also like 4 years old, and they're still running perfect, so definitely worth your money. Yeah, even in the day, you can tell these things are damn bright. This is with the old bulbs. This is with the new bulbs installed. That's the low beam, fog lights, and high beam. And here's another video while driving, going through low beam, fog lights, and high beam again. And yeah, these things are super bright. I can see way better at night. I'm loving them.